Hello. In recent releases of Tenable OT security, we've introduced advanced IoT visibility. This engine allows customers to perform bulk discovery and identification by integrating with existing application servers and IoT networks. It goes without saying, but OT and IoT systems are everywhere, and we rely on them across many industries, and because they're becoming more connected than ever, this creates exposure. IoT systems don't just exist in commercial or residential settings, but are also prolific throughout data centers and industrial industries. Detecting IoT devices can be difficult because of various network and telemetry related challenges. Thankfully, the IoT connector helps to overcome some of these challenges by enabling us to connect instead to the application server to pull in the metadata about its devices and assess the risks they're affected by. When it comes to IoT systems, there are often management servers driving capabilities that enable things like video surveillance or badge access. These devices do not operate in a standalone fashion in most cases, and it's important to capture the tightly coupled nature between the management server and its devices. Tenable OT security is able to integrate remotely with these management servers via API, as well as connecting to an installed Tenable IoT agent running on those servers. This makes discovery an effortless process. We continue to work with our customers to understand the IoT and OT systems and devices that they need coverage for. If you have IoT systems that you need to discuss coverage with us, please reach out to your account team. Let's show what this brings us in Tenable OT. Looking at our assets inventory that has been brought into Tenable OT, we can see a collection of different IoT devices like cameras, switches, and video management servers. We can see a variety of different data points about those assets, such as their family, their firmware version, and their IP addresses, if we know them. If we drill into a camera, we can see all of the details discovered because of the IoT connector. This level of detail is critical for understanding the vulnerabilities or the importance of the device. Looking at the related assets of that camera, we can see its management server that informed us about this asset. We can also see its related devices to understand the other devices that this management server has been brought in from the IoT connectors. We hope that you're able to give our advanced IoT connectors a try, and we look forward to hearing your feedback and ideas. Thanks for listening.